Wait, my wallet is gone. Someone must have stolen it. I didn't come all the way from Fort Hood in Texas to be a babysitter. I came to New York to follow my dreams, because this is where dreams come true. All this, and all I have to do is take care of one cute little girl. Okay. Please tell me those kids are in the wrong apartment.
I like my grilled cheese cut in triangles and my tutu starched.
Hello, I'm Luke, and you are way too old for.
Whoa! You must be a really bad tipper. I'm Tony.
I'm Jessie.
You're not going to be able to make the science fair?
You know how it is, sweetie. If I fall behind, the studio will fire me.
I'm really sorry. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Bye.
Love you!
Haven't you guys ever wondered why you have revolving doors? Your kids chase them away because they want to get your attention. They miss you. And even if you fire me for saying this and I lose the best job I've ever had, you need to start being there for them.
I thought I would find a family to adopt me. And when you did, it was the happiest day of my life. But now I realize I was just a disappointment.
Ravi, no, you're not a disappointment.
I'm so sorry, but if Rachel can see how great a guy you are, then she's a big idiot.
Meanwhile, I'm sitting here without a date looking like a bigger idiot.
You do belong. There is no doubt in my mind that you're the kid we were meant to have.
There is no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna cry at this incredibly sweet family moment.
Thank you. Look, you are sweet and funny and cool. And you got the moves like Jack.
Look, it's like these planets. They're far away from each other, right? But they have a gravitational pull that always keeps them together, no matter what. That's what love is like. It stretches over any distance.
My dad and I have been through a lot together. We've always been a team. You can still be a team. You're just adding a few more players. We know. And we'll really miss you. But this is your dream.
And we don't want to get in the way of it coming
How did
true.
you get so smart? I've had a great teacher. You said, even when they're far apart, the force of love keeps them together. No matter what. This has been the most amazing 4 years of my life. Christina, thank you so much for taking a chance on me. I'm really gonna miss your kids. Our kids. It stretches over any distance. It's too strong to be broken.